Why a duck decided to build an airplane. First, he poured a big pot of batter into a mold shaped like an airplane. The soft dough turned into different airplane parts. He used more molds to make the gears and other pieces. After that, he put everything onto trays and baked them. He even used a piping bag to squeeze out a dough steering wheel. When all the parts were ready, he baked them in the oven. The smell filled the air, but some parts got a little burnt. Still, it didn't matter. The airplane was complete. It was light as a feather, so the duck could lift it with just one finger. Before flying, the duck made himself a helmet out of dough. He even roasted 2 eggs with a hairdryer as snacks. Then he jumped into the plane and took off. The duck flew higher and higher, doing tricks and going faster. Soon he was flying at over 1,000 km/h. The speed made him faint for a moment, but luckily he woke up just in time to pull the plane up before crashing. Trees below were so shocked they seemed to bloom in fright. But then a storm arrived. Rain and lightning hit the sky. The dough airplane started melting in the water. The duck tried to save it, but the spiral propeller and even the body began to fall apart. The plane became harder to control. The brake pedal stuck to the duck's foot like a mask, and the steering wheel changed shape. It looked like disaster, but because it was made of dough, the plane bent and bounced instead of breaking apart. Still, after so many problems, the engines finally failed. The plane fell from the sky, and the duck was thrown out like a kite being dragged behind. His dough helmet melted into 2 little beads. In the end, the duck and his strange-bred airplane barely survived the crazy adventure.